Yep, pickup time. It's time to eat. Okay, I wish there was a way to stop this thing. It's pretty loud. As if the vibration is really loud. Can you hear that? I wish there was a button to stop it. Good morning! I'm just kidding. I've been awake already for some time now. Yeah. So I had 3 roommates last night. This guy looks like he's still staying here. This one is staying here also for 2 more nights. And this guy just checked out. He was literally here at night and left in the morning. And that's fast. But I don't mean to judge or anything. I noticed that if I am in a dorm, and this is like just a couple of times when I'm with the guys, they're a bit more quiet. And even I myself and I'm very guilty of this. I tend to talk loud. I don't know what it is. I think girls just get a little bit more excitable. I'm just getting my helmet over here. Whoop, whoop, I can't reach it. Make sure you have your helmet, your gloves, and face gear, especially the eyeglasses too. Ah, there you go. Right, so speaking of, sometimes I get very excitable and I tend to talk loud, but having a dorm full of guys who really respect each other's, I don't know, silence, it's very nice to check in with people who respect each other's space, at least in general. But the flying fish is looking great. Everyone is busy, and you are gonna get your passport. Yeah. That's my roommate. Today or this morning, I was really hoping to wake up at 7:45 so we can have breakfast at 8 a.m. but my body just got really knackered, really tired from the astrophotography the other day. So that means I only had like an hour and a half of sleep. So yeah, I was able to recuperate anyway. So today we're gonna be checking in the deluxe room. Right, anyway, so this morning we're gonna have breakfast at Coffee Bean at Tea Leaf. We went there last night and they open at 7 a.m. so I was really hoping to go there early. But because, you know, sleepover, of course, breakfast is more important. Let's just gear up and I'll see you once we hit the road. Hopefully we can enjoy a delicious breakfast together. This is our last full day at Dumaguete. Yeah, it's looking great. I love all the plants too. It really helps so much with the biophilia. That's my new word of the year, biophilia. And this is our handy dandy limousine. And I am your driver at your service. And I'm really glad that the battery is fixed now because for 2 days it's not been fixed. And I heard that renting your motorbike for 280 to 300 pesos per day is so expensive, especially for the locals. The going rate right now is around 400 to 600 pesos per day, and that's really, for me, it's absurd. But anyway, I was able to find this baby on Marketplace on Facebook for 280 pesos per day. If you want to have the contact, just let me know. Send me a comment and I'll gladly give you the contact if ever you're here in Dumaguete. But for now, I'll see if I can attach you to this. Let's head out. The sun is blazing. Got my SPF. Let's hit the road. My lordy. Oh ho 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 ho. Wow. Oh my goodness. So this is what we were missing out on last night. Look at the view of the sea. Straight ahead, they actually just constructed a Boulevard 2022, and there's a lot of protests going on because it's not environmental. But it happened anyway, so it's money talks, I suppose. But I forgot to mention the total distance from our hotel, which is back there, or hostel, sorry, it's not a hotel. It's just 1 kilometer, so Coffee Bean is just right right down the boulevard, but I just wanted to stop and show you how close it is. Unfortunately, our place doesn't get this view. And there are so many hotels there that has this view. It's a little bit more expensive, but I also don't like the rooms. It's like tight and you're literally living in a cubicle. So I chose Flying Fish, even if it's a hostel. I love the cleanliness and there's so much space. There's actually a place there called Cheese Stick Country. Yeah, I'd prefer to go in a place like that with a company, because if I'm alone and I have my cameras and gadgets, I'm sure it's definitely safe, but I just feel more comfortable if I had someone with me. But that's where we're heading. Kuya guys! Kuya guys! Hello. That's my tricycle driver there. I recognize the sign because it says Flying Fish, and he was the one who fetched me as well, 175 pesos from the airport. Hello kuya guys, maayong buntag.
Good morning.
Good morning, and I sabi ko 175 pesos from the airport papuntang Flying Fish. So just contact kuya guys, let me know again. Last day ko na here. Nice to see you. So Grab Trike as well. Grab taxis here are not popular, but you can get a Grab Trike over there. And I'm kind of happy they don't have Grab taxis, just because, I mean, it keeps the place small and quaint and less traffic, even if it's starting to get really traffic here. Nothing like Cebu and Manila, of course, but for me, Dumaguete is very, very precious. The airport is somewhere there, if I'm not mistaken. So unfortunately, I was not able to fly the drone because I can't. Like, I couldn't even get the propellers to start. It's prohibited because the airport is literally there. But let's keep going. I keep talking so much, don't I? Let's go, let's go. So let's park the bike where the shade is. Alright, here we are. Whoop. Let's take these gloves out. If it should get out. Ta-da! We made it. Hold on, give me a second. It's a little funny because this is where the parking is for all the motorbikes or the scooters. I feel like a loser just because we're so isolated. We're like the rejects of society, whereas all the other vehicles get to park here. That's the building over there. I mean, like, there's so much. Ooh, what is that? It's pretty swanky. King's Gate. Oh, I don't know. So random. Like, there's a very swanky looking place there, and like this place is designed to look, I guess, European, I suppose. I do find it a little tacky. I'm sorry, whoever the owner is. I mean, I did attend their opening the roof deck. There's an infinity pool. It's actually really pretty up there. But of course, I love the Philippines. I would probably do a little bit something more native, or a fusion at least of, I don't know, modern and native or European, East meets West type of thing. But I think that's what they're going for anyway. Very European with all these lampposts. But yeah, this parking space is all for cars, and my scooter's just back there just because. Morning! Everyone here is so friendly. I love it. But look at the ocean! That's what we came here for, baby! And looks like there's a stage there for bands. And this could be like the dancing area. But up there is where there's an infinity pool. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you got to see the camera a while ago. On my way here, there seemed to be, it looked like they were trying to catch something in the water anyway. So let's head over here. I'm gonna stick you back in my shoulder in a while so that we can order properly. Open. Oh my gosh, AC. It's quite nice. But you do get used to the weather outside. These are our options for food. And sardine and garlic linguine. Chinese chicken salad. I'm not having cake for breakfast, but we'll see for dessert later. Corned beef pandesal is sold out, and bombed spicy tuna salad, that could be an option. Cake of the day. So I need about a minute to catch my breath. Maybe remove all of this because I look silly. And then yeah, let's order food.
Sardine garlic, tomato and herb, and spicy tuna po.
Yeah, I'll get yung sorry, ano yung option?
Sardine garlic, tomato and herb, and spicy tuna po.
Sardine and garlic, spicy tuna. Anong parang spicy tuna or sardine? Anong mas okay?
Sardine and garlic po ang best seller, ma'am.
Anong masarap yung sardine? Yung tuna ba canned ba yun or fresh? Canned siya. Ano yung best seller? Sardine and garlic? Sige. Sardine and garlic at saka yung Chinese, ano yung sauce ng Chinese chicken?
Sweet and sour po.
May ano yung other option ng salad?
Meron lang
Caesar ba? Or
wala kami Caesar. Meron lang kami chilled chicken, salad, and yung ano po, Chinese chicken.
Chinese. Yung isang salad.
Chilled chicken siya.
Chilled. Ano yung meron?
Meron siyang pasta po. And then, meron siyang chicken. Ang sauce naman is fish sauce po.
Para mas prefer ko yung fish sauce. Pero may salad ba yun? May lettuce?
Meron.
Yeah, parang mas prefer ko yun. Or pwede ba yung Chinese chicken pero yung ano na lang, yung isang sauce? Hindi. So anong mas recommend nyo? Yung Chinese chicken or yung isang chicken na salad?
Depende sa inyo, ma'am.
Lahat ba canned chicken?
Hindi po.
Fresh?
Po. Niluluto na namin.
Ang hirap pag-decide eh. Yung isa na lang siguro.
Yung ano na lang, ma'am?
Chilled, yes. Siguro yun lang for now. And then I have
Drinks, ma'am?
drinks siguro later. Siguro warm water in a mug. Yeah. I have this. I came here din kahapon kasi I have a voucher. Ito siya for Globe Rewards.
May code siya, ma'am.
Yes, ito siya. 7 a.m. PC something. Okay, so if anyone doesn't know
I-redeem pala, ma'am.
Sorry?
I-redeem ko lang.
Sige, okay. So if anyone doesn't know what Globe Rewards is, if you have a Globe SIM or you're postpaid or prepaid, you get rewards. So my dad has a lot of rewards just because his company is paying for all our his account is paying for all our my postpaid is actually only 800 pesos a month, but because it's accumulated, we seem to get a lot of rewards. Of course, it takes months for us to get like at least 1,000 or 500 rewards, but I'm redeeming a voucher worth 500 pesos, and so I get to choose whatever food here and make sure that it fits within 500 pesos, and it's free thanks to Globe Rewards. Pag nag-over ba, kunwari 600, mag-add na lang ako, no?
Yes,
so if you like...
worth 500 to, ma'am.
Yeah, worth 500. So if you end up ordering more, you just pay cash for the additional. Now, if there's additional, I might be tempted to order a drink, but I don't really fancy sweets in the morning. May 30 pesos?
Yes, ma'am. Kasi hindi mo naman siya makukuha, ma'am.
Ano bang okay for 30 pesos? Siguro, like, I might get a spicy tuna. May corned beef pa ba mamaya? O sige, okay. There's corned beef pandesal.
Display ko, ma'am.
Oo. Parang yun yung the best, ano? I don't really fancy any of these cakes, but let's get a corned beef pandesal. When you're in the Philippines, you need to have corned beef. It's one of our favorites for some reason. I think it's because it's so tasty. So I think I'm lacking about 95 pesos.
Yes.
95, right? So let's get my handy dandy bulsa in Tagalog, pocket in English. Ang ganda ng view. Look at that. I'm very, very distracted easily. But right, here we go.
Your name, ma'am?
Roxy. I really love these straws as well. Look at that. Bamboo. For 10 pesos. In Siargao, they sell like a bunch of bamboo for 100 pesos. So it comes out to 5 pesos per bamboo stick. And they're meant to be disposable. Ito ba hinuhugas nyo? Yeah, so you can actually wash this. Yeah, it's reusable. But according to my friend, his is disposable. I would totally wash it because what a waste to throw. But we'll just wait for our order. Thank you. Okay. Oops. Thank you. De-deliver na lang siya? Or bababa ako, no? Okay. Ano na lang, warm water please sa mug. Thank you. Okay, let's go upstairs. Oh, I'm so excited to sit upstairs. So what's gonna happen is they're gonna buzz this and see you at the pickup counter when I light up and buzz. Right, silly me, I don't read. Of course, I asked if he was gonna deliver it. Da, 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 da. It's a little warmer up here. I could be tempted to stay downstairs. Yeah, it's kind of warm, but look at that view. So if you're sitting over here, you have that view over there. Where to sit? Where to sit? Oh, this is a really tiny nook. I don't think I'd be comfortable there. I don't know, where's the AC? Yeah, that's it. Anyway, it looks really beautiful. I think I'll just chill out here for a while, see how I feel. But if not, there's a long table downstairs. I might just prefer to stay there. My table is really tiny and I'll be bending down like this every time I eat. So I prefer something like that where the table is a bit higher. Yeah, there you go. This is my view for now. I'm gonna catch my breath, wait for my order to arrive, and we can now eat. Looking forward. Okay, so I did go to check. This table is now vacant just a few seconds later. It's a bit warm here. I mean, the view is still nice too, but this backrest is kind of really hard. It's tough. Soup. But honestly, I think I'm okay with our table here. And the couch is nice and comfortable. Yeah. Let's wait for the food. I can't wait. Okay. It's kind of wild. It's so loud, but yep. Pickup time. It's time to eat. Okay, I wish there was a way to stop this thing. It's pretty loud. As if the vibration is really loud. Can you hear that? I wish there was a button to stop it. That's it now. Oh. Okay. I'm wild. Hello. Sure, thank you. Okay. Ay, it's upstairs. Ah, yeah, it's at night. Ano lang, mug of hot water, please. Yes, or warm. Right, oh my gosh, our food's looking so good. This is chilled chicken salad. This is this is sardines pasta. Woo! Tama ba? Sardines pasta?
Yes, ma'am.
Sardines pasta, and then we have our corned beef pandesal. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you. I don't know if kaya ko siya again.
Assist yun na lang.
Okay. Or I'll carry this para matanggal yung weight. Thank you, G. Upstairs, yes. Okay. So I'm very clumsy when it comes to life in general, especially carrying food. So don't trust me with a tray full of delicious, yummy food because I can't guarantee it's gonna get to the destination safely. Straight lang, please. Wow, 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 look at that. Yes. Yeah. Life is good. Thank you. Wow. You and I are gonna have a date together over, I guess this is brunch. And you might call me like a pig because there's so much food. I technically have 2.5 meals. Pasta, and bread. So this is like carbs over carbs over carbs. Let's eat. I think there's one thing I have to say. I'm really glad. I mean, aside from it being super tasty, the pasta is actually al dente. That's one of my pet peeves. If the pasta is overcooked, if it's like too soft and it doesn't have that bite or the al dente-ness, it's just a no-go for me. But this one, I'm really glad that it's properly done. So yeah, hopefully all the coffee bean and tea leaves all around the world is consistent. But yeah, I'd definitely rate it. It's alright, it's good. Passion for coffee and tea. I definitely have a passion for coffee and tea. Just your basic black coffee with a little milk. And when I'm in the UK, I love black tea with milk, no sugar. Yeah, I feel a little bad for bringing my Starbucks glass. Not at all sponsored by Starbucks or Coffee Bean. It's just something that I enjoy doing. So coffee, pasta, and this view. Definitely count me in, and I can see the view of the mountains there. Unfortunately, my GoPro has no zoom. Maybe I should do an upgrade very soon. I wish I can share all this food with whoever's watching. There's loads and loads of food here. It's time to try their salad. Usually for breakfast or when I start the day, I really love to have vegetables just because it's good for your body, but also it's delicious when it's done properly. You should be using a fork, shouldn't I? So, I wanted to talk to you about how much all of this costs. When I calculated it, it's about how much was it? About, oh dear. Let's do the math again. So I paid in total 600, well, sorry, my total is 595 pesos. So 595, and let's say a US dollar is about 50 pesos. 595 divided by 50 comes out to about 11 to 12 US dollars. That's pretty okay for everything that I have. Well, of course, compared to my meal last night, which was 37 pesos, that's like less than $1. Of course, you can't compare because that's Carindria, and right now I'm getting AC, I'm getting the view. Wow. It looks like a really simple salad, but it's so tasty. Definitely a lot of salt here. I would have preferred maybe less salt, but it works. It's pretty good. Let's eat, everyone. That's it. I'm finally done eating. I'm not even embarrassed. I'm not embarrassed to let you know that I actually consumed all my food. Wait, the camera should be here. Yeah, that's quite a lot of calories for one person. The view is just so nice. But right now it's time to check in our deluxe room over at Flying Fish Hostel. I am looking forward to seeing what it's like. It is their best room supposedly. It's also the most expensive. I think it's around 1,600 pesos per night. I'm not sure what that is in US dollars. I'll have to do the computation later. But looking at this view, it's very, very, very tempting to space out. Until what time are you open today?
7 until 11
PM? Okay, I might come back later. My flight's tomorrow na, so last chance to... Inubos ko lahat. Like, wala ng pasta. Except for the pandesal. Pang ano ka na lang breakfast. Sarap! Thank you! Lamig kaayo. So, anyway, we're saying goodbye to this view. Hopefully we can come back later. They're open until... Oops. Okay. They're open until 11 PM, so that's a good time. That's practically close to midnight, so the only problem is if we do come back later at night, that's all gonna be darkness, just like what we saw last night. But it's good to know that you can come to a place early in the morning, 7 AM to... That's pretty loud. 7 AM to 11 PM. And what I also liked about the coffee shop is that there's a toilet upstairs, and some coffee shops, actually most coffee shops, look at how crazy the design is. It's like Eastern. No. There's a toilet upstairs on the second floor, and that's nice because a lot of coffee shops only have toilets downstairs. It's gonna be good exercise though, good for the glutes. But it's just obviously more convenient to have the toilet upstairs. And I was so close to ordering another drink, but I wasn't feeling more sugar in my system. So I think it's good to walk out a little bit of the carbs. I'm actually kind of glad that, I mean, look how much parking space there is here, but my motorbike's all the way here. We are like the rejects. We are the least priority among all the vehicles, as you can see. You want to like hide all the scooter riders just because they're probably not proud of it. It's probably the cheapest in the market. This ain't no Rolls Royce. Let's head back to Flying Fish, and I'm so excited to check in. The only issue I have is, man, I gotta check out at like 8 AM tomorrow for the flight, so I'm not really getting my money's worth, am I? Oh well. So I won't record this anymore, and I'll see you soon when we get back to the hostel. Watch the magic happen. Ta-da! Okay, so I know I said watch the magic happen. We're supposed to appear here, but if it was recording a while ago, I want to show you what the view was like going back here. Oh my gosh, the view of the sea was just incredible.